Today I built a resume optimizer. This tool is intended for you to upload your resume and then paste a job description for a position you are looking at applying to. Up in the top right, you will see options to upload a resume and a settings gear icon. So for now, we will click on settings and you'll see at the top API configuration. This is where you will paste your developer API key. You can see right here is a field where you can paste it and save, but I have already set this up, so for now I'm going to leave it as is, but you can always go back and change or remove your keys. As well, you can select an AI model. You can see I'm using Claude, and I can choose which Claude model I want to use, as well as an estimated cost per use on the right side. So we're going to stick with the recommended. And then there's export preferences. Select how you would like your resume exported, as far as what type of file, and then select as well where you would like your exports to go. I'm going to keep mine on documents for now, but you can change it to anywhere on your computer. So let's go back and click upload resume. And this is where you'll drag and drop your resume that you're currently using and upload that. And then at the top, you'll see a text preview of your resume and then a text field below where you'll be able to paste the job description. So with this in place, you can simply move over to LinkedIn or whatever platform you want, search for the job that you're interested in. And I'm using a Salesforce administrator as an example. Click on the position that you're interested in and find the job description, highlight it, and copy it. And then once the job description is all the way copied, head back over to the resume optimizer tool. And then you can paste the job description in this window. Once pasted, you can see again the model you're using and the cost, and then click Analyze Match. Note that this will take about 10 to 30 seconds, as this is calling Claude right now to perform the analysis and optimization. Perfect. So you can see this is the output given by Claude. On the left side, you can see a match score, and this is telling me how well my resume matches up against the job description I pasted. You can see I got an 8 out of 10. As well, you can see on the left the summary. The summary shows how Claude scored your resume and how we got to the 8 out of 10 you're seeing above. So you can review that, and then below you'll see a section called Keywords to Include. These are keywords that Claude recommends you include on your resume to help you perform in the job search when applying. Below that, there's gaps identified as far as experience or skill sets that Claude thinks you may not have on your resume that are included in the job description. And then again, things to avoid. These are notes of things you may not want to include in your resume based on the job description to help you have the best chances and success when applying. So then we get onto the dashboard. You can see there's 13 suggestions, 0 accepted and 0 rejected. So this is the fun part where we can start accepting changes, and you'll see on the left the original, and then on the right the suggested change that Claude is making for specific paragraphs or sentences on my resume. You can see the reason behind it, and as well the experience it is linked to, or what part of my resume this is referenced in. So let's say I want to accept only the BGSF experience line items. So we'll go ahead and accept those and reject everything else. Take note of the changes you are making so you can check for them in the exported new version of your resume. Once all changes are accepted, you can go ahead and click Export Resume in the top right. This will allow you to change the name, but you can see it already defaulted to _optimized, and as well, one last chance to change the format or file destination with a little content preview at the bottom as well. And there you go. You can see the success message telling you that your new resume was exported and the location of the export. And then if we go back to the dashboard, you'll see my uploaded resumes, and you can click Optimize again if you want to make further edits, but for now, we'll just go back. And when I go back to my desktop, I can see the PDF was successfully created with my changes implemented. I'm still working on adjusting the formatting of the export as this is still in beta, but please comment below your thoughts and how I can improve this. Thank you for watching.